first things first, thank you for visiting my channel to DIY for you. I hope you like what you see, and I hope you will consider subscribing. I would like to share with you how I made my Holy Family mantelpiece. I love the way it turned out. I used foam core, hot glue, foam cutter, a nail file. My husband showed me this trick. Gold, copper, and blue leaf, the sizing glue, a hula hoop, and lights. Here are the foam pieces that we cut out. The Blessed Mother, Saint Joseph, and the infant Jesus. And here's the trick that my husband showed me. File in all the wicked areas, and you come up with a nice smooth surface to work with. I lost some of the footage, I don't know how, where I was leafing the Blessed Mother in blue and Saint Joseph in copper, but here I am leafing the infant Jesus in gold. And here it is in its entirety. This is during the day. Oh, I made the base too, a slotted base for each member of the Holy Family. Just simply slides into the slots. I thought I had shown it, but I guess I didn't. And this is what my mantelpiece looks like. Very simple, minimal, branches from the tree in my front yard, and here it is at night. I hope you like what you see and that you will consider subscribing. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. A like would be great too. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.